Maxine here, marketing manager at vegan, gender-free makeup brand Jecca Blac. Today I'm going to be showing you a really quick, easy, tent-friendly makeup tutorial which incorporates products from our collection and I feel could be worn to any festival this summer. To start off with, I'm going to be using our Hydrate Primer. This is formulated with aloe juice and shea butter, and both of these are amazing for locking moisture into your skin. Sometimes we get questions about when to apply our Hydrate Primer and if you should apply SPF before or after it. I definitely recommend completing your morning skincare with your serums and any other morning steps that you do for your morning skincare. Layer on your SPF, particularly important for if you're going outside for the day or to a festival, to make sure that your skin is protected. And then once your skincare has settled in, applying our Hydrate Primer. I have quite dry skin, so this is such a great step for me. So now that I've applied our Hydrate Primer, I'm now going to apply our Blur and Matte Primer. And what I love about this is the formula. It has a really silky, smooth consistency and leaves a really velvety finish on your skin. The reason I went with Blur and Matte today after our Hydrate Primer is because it's our best primer for reducing shine throughout the day. I have found that I get super shiny throughout the day at festivals, and it's a great morning step for just keeping that coverage locked in all day long so that you're less likely to need to apply it later on in the day. Next, I'm curling my eyelashes, and I always like to do this before I've applied any coverage products because then I'm not knocking into any coverage below, kind of on my cheek area, and removing any concealer or any foundation that I might have applied there. So now that my lashes are curled and my skin is primed, I'm going to apply some coverage. I'm starting with our award-winning Correct and Conceal palette, and using this concealer brush, I'm going to start off by applying our Color Correct shade, which is the peachy one, to around my under eyes. And the reason that this look is quite festival friendly, on the go friendly, tent friendly is because I'm trying not to do anything that's too precise. Just quick few steps in the morning, so then your base is there to stay all day long. So now that I've color corrected around my under eyes, I'm going to apply some concealer to all over my base to cancel out any redness and build a kind of foundation to my base. And again, I'm not going for anything that's too precise. I'm just doing really quick, easy steps that just get some product onto my face. And because of those priming steps earlier, this will last all day long. Something else that I like about building my base this way instead of with any liquid products is that these are very transport friendly. If these get knocked around in a bag on the go, they're not going to open up and spill everywhere. I'm working with pretty much just creams today, so besides the primers of course, but these are great because you don't have to be too precise with anything that you're doing. If you have anywhere on your face that needs a bit of extra care, then normally I just take a little bit of product and I just like pat it onto there. Next, I'm just going to set my under eyes with a translucent setting powder. I'm now taking our award-winning Sculpt and Soften palette, and I'm going to be using the Sculpt shade. I'm now just going to warm the sides of my face using the Sculpt part of the Sculpt and Soften palette. You can use this to contour, but today, because we're doing something that's really quick and simple and festival friendly, and also because we're keeping all the attention on the eyes, I'm going for something that's really simple and easy to apply. Next, I'm taking our Red Touch Play Pot and just using my finger, I'm going to pat this on to the sides of my face and a little bit onto my nose as well. I'm loving a kind of summery, sun-kissed look with blush at the moment, and I actually love to put blush all over my face, as you can see. What's great about our play pots is that you can apply them literally anywhere on the face or body you want to add some colour to. So you could turn this into a lip tint, you could put it on your eyes if you want a cream shadow, but today I'm using Red Touch as a cream blush. So now that I've got my locked in coverage and my blushed, summery, glowy, festival ready base, I'm going to move on to my eyes. To get my eyes festival ready today, I'm going to be applying our Phantom Iridescent Eye Gems, which you can buy on our website, and they also come in our Euphoria bundle, which contains a glow drops of your choice, a play pot of your choice, and these gems. It's really great value. These are self-adhesive when you first get them, but as this is my third or fourth time wearing these, I'm going to apply some lash glue just so that I can keep them in place. Just taking some lash glue and running this around. And the trick with lash glue is not to apply it immediately while the formula is still completely wet. You want to wait until it's a little bit tacky, so I'm just waiting a few seconds. And just while those are continuing to set onto my eye area, I'm going to apply some brow products. Starting off by just combing through my brows and then filling in any sparse areas. And I'm going for something that's quite fluffy and kind of laminated today. So now that my brows are done, I'm going to apply some Pink Pearl Play Pot to my lids as the gems are all set. And again, as it's a clay pot, you can apply it to your eyes, your cheeks, your lips, really anywhere you want to add that pigment to. And this has a really fun glittery pigment in there. I like to apply this after the eye gems because I just think it's so easy to then use the gems as a guide on where the colour's going to go. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. Actually quite a lot of mascara. I love to wear lots of mascara. So now that my eyes are done and my base is done, I'm going to apply some lipstick. So I'm starting off with a lip liner. I'm now going to apply some long-lasting lipstick in shade Plain Nude. And this is a creamy, long-lasting matte formula. So it's great for if you're looking for some staying power for your lip products. And now I'm going to apply a little bit of gloss over that just to give my lips a bit of dimension and make them a bit more dewy and shimmery. And applying a gloss over a matte lipstick does change the formula, so you won't get quite the same staying power as if you don't apply a gloss. But I just think that this is such a nice dimension on the lips when these products are combined. And now to finish off this look, I'm applying some Glow Drops Champagne. This is our highlighting primer in a very gold, bold, glittery shade. It's also available in shade Rose Pearl, which is very subtle and dewy and pinky and pearly. In another video of ours, I go over all 4 of our primers and what they look like beneath base makeup, so I really am just going to be applying this today as a highlight using a stippling brush, just to get that summery festival glow. I'm also going to be applying some to my shoulders because my shoulders are out. It also works really well if you add a few drops of this to your body lotion for a really even distribution of the product. And this is my finished look. It's very Coachella friendly, it's very Glastonbury friendly, it's definitely doable in a tent, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing me put it together today. Have an amazing event. Hope you have some festivals lined up this summer or some really cool gigs to go to or some really fun events. We also have Pride around the corner, which is really, really exciting. So be sure to keep an eye out for lots more really fun content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Bye.